Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
If your LiftMaster garage door opener displays error code 4-1, it means your safety reversing sensors are experiencing an issue. These vital sensors, located on each side of your garage door track, send an invisible infrared beam to each other. When this beam is interrupted, or the sensors are misaligned, your opener stops the door from closing. This safety feature prevents the door from closing on people or objects, so addressing this error is really important. Start by checking the most common culprits. Look closely at both safety sensor lenses, one on each side of your garage door track. You might find dirt, dust, or even spiderwebs obstructing the beam, so gently wipe them clean with a soft cloth. Next, ensure the sensors are securely mounted and not wobbly. If they've been bumped, they might be out of alignment, preventing the infrared light from reaching the other sensor. Just a quick visual check can often resolve the problem. Now let's focus on alignment. Each sensor has a small LED light. One should display a steady green light and the other a steady amber light. If either of these lights is off, or if it's flickering, it indicates a problem with the beam's connection. Carefully adjust the sensor that isn't showing a solid light. Move it slightly until both lights become steady. A steady light confirms the invisible beam is properly aligned, allowing your door to operate safely. If cleaning and alignment don't fix the issue, the problem might be with the wiring. Carefully inspect the wires running from each sensor all the way up to your garage door opener head. Look for any visible damage, such as cuts, pinches, or frayed insulation, especially near the track or hinges. Also, check that all wire connections are tight, both at the sensor terminals and where they connect to the main opener unit. A loose or damaged wire can easily interrupt the circuit, causing the error. If you've diligently worked through all these troubleshooting steps, cleaning, aligning, and checking your wiring, and error code 4-1 still appears, it might be time to call in a professional. There could be an internal sensor malfunction, a more complex wiring issue you can't easily spot, or even a problem with the opener's main logic board itself. Remember, garage door systems involve powerful components. If you're ever unsure or uncomfortable, contacting a certified technician is always the safest option for your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.